back to Hasu and Teju. This is Teju, and today we're going to make a special craft. And do you know what that craft is? Well, you can give this craft to anyone in your life. Your friends, your teachers, your loved ones, your family, your sisters, brothers, anyone. And here is that special craft. It's a Valentine's Day card because I decided to do this craft because it is almost Valentine's Day! Oh, I'm so excited! So here are the materials you need to make this special Valentine's Day card. You're going to need 2 red papers and 2 white papers. You're going to also need some scissors. Yay! You're going to need a glue stick, a pencil, and a scale that measures in centimeters because we're going to use the centimeter part. So let's get started. First, let's take the big piece of red paper. Now we're going to fold it. You need to fold it at the exact, you need to always match the corners with this. Now, doesn't it look like card shape? But this is different. It's a pop-up card also. Now, let's keep this part to a side, but we're going to come back to it. Now, let's take both of our white papers. We're going to fold them at once, so we don't need to do it again. Oh. So fold it carefully. Oh, this is going to be so hard. So now we have our 2 white papers folded. We're going to take one of the papers and put the other to the side. I told you we're going to come back to this. We're going to open it and glue this paper down. So let's take our glue and starting to glue. I like to do line by line. You might want to use a glue spreader for this craft. So one side. Let's glue the first side first, since we glued it. Okay. Perfect. Now let's close it, but only close the white paper. The second side. Okay. Now let's fold it like a card. It's okay if it has all of these wrinkles because we're going to put another piece of paper on top. But for now, let's close it. Now let's go back to our other piece of white paper, but keep it closed this time. Take your ruler and measure. Time. I'm going to make it this way. Yes, here we go. We're going to also take our pencil. Now you see the 0, or the end of the scale, and you see this 4? We're going to draw a line by the 4 centimeters. Now go on to the bottom. You see this 4 right there? You're going to draw on the tippy top and make a mark. It's okay if it's longer than the other because we're going to still make it. Now you see this 4, you make it go on the bottom and you make a line just like that. And then come back to the 4 down here and do the same thing. Now let's take our scissors and cut carefully. Just like that. Now you see this part? We're going to fold it. Try not to fold these. And fold. Now flip it over and fold it the other way. And make it come back to the middle. Now open it. Now you see that popping up? You see this fold? You're going to fold it right on that fold and close that paper. See? Now you see where this cut is? we're going to be using the same line. Okay? Now, this time we're going to do 3 centimeters. You see where that 3 is? Make sure. You might want to give it a little gap so you can see the line. And 3. Now we're going to go all the way down where the 3 is and make a little line. Okay, now we're going to do this as 2.5 right there. Make a little dot right here. Oh, and let's do the same for here. Remember, 2.5. If you ever want to check if it's right, you can always measure your ruler like this. But I'm pretty sure it's right for now. Now it's time to draw the line. It's okay if you just don't use it at the same exact line. We just need the straight line so we can just remember. Like that. Okay, now it's time to get cutting. So you need to cut both sides. Whoa. Okay, and cut. Whew. Now you see this little box. Remember, there's 2 papers. You're gonna fold this one. Remember, just 1. There's 2. You're gonna fold this one as 1. And you're gonna flip back and fold the other. Oh, like that. So that's how it looks so far. Now it's starting to pop up. Now, it's just like how we did for this one. You're gonna pop it out, and you're gonna pop this one out too, like that. Now let's take our red and white papers, which are glued together as a card, and glue this in. Now, let's get gluing. We're going to need a glue stick. Okay, so that's one side. Now we need the other. So let's fold it. Okay, now we're gonna fold it once, so it's gonna be just to see. And look at that. Looks nice, right? Now it's time for the decorations, my favorite part. Here's our piece of red paper. It's time to make hearts. So just fold a little bit. Take our scissors and you see that? I'm going to show you a trick to make a perfect heart. It's pretty easy, quiet, once you get to know it. So you see this little cube? We're going to draw a half side of a heart. Like that. Now we cut it. And this is where the magic comes. And voila. In the same way, we can make the hearts different sizes. Woohoo! So let's get decorating. So I'm going to put this one over here. So I'm going to make like little decorations on the outlines. It's going to be so cool. all you're gonna do is to make it like butterfly-like. Oh, that's my favorite part. You're gonna like make it like that. It's okay if you get some lines on your glue. Like that. And time to glue. Oh. Now it's like has wings. See? Flutter, flutter. Here's another one. And crumple back up. Done. You just gotta paste it there. So look at that. Now our Valentine's Day card is done. I really like this top stair. I call them stairs because they look like stairs, like. Now let's see if the hearts stay on when we close it. Shh. Give it to someone special. And open. They stayed on. I really like this craft. And I love Valentine's Day. So you can make this to someone special in your life. And I hope it's someone very special. You can also make this to your friends and teachers. So hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Bye!